What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mode. Today we're doing a battery change on a key fob for a Ford Bronco. This is going to take replacement battery CR2450. If you have a different number of buttons on the front of yours, that's fine. It'll be the same as what we're about to do here. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom. That's done by pressing this button here, and that's going to allow it to slide out. Now, if we hold it with the buttons facing down, and we look to where we just pulled that key out of, you can see this little slot right here. If you take your key and put in that slot, it'll kind of allow you to pry the back up. And then once you get it started, you can just pull it off with your fingers like that. And now we can see our battery here. And I'm gonna grab a little flathead screwdriver. If you don't have one of these handy, you can use kind of anything with a point on it. Even like a pen that you write with would probably work, but there's a little slot right here that you can get in there, and it'll just help you get the battery up like that. And we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. So start that edge in there like that, and then push down. Now if we grab our back, snap that on, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.